Hi everyone, my name is Gia Greenwich.
My name is Amira.
Shawnee Gittings. Lisa Jose from Economic School. Roshana Clark. I attend Harrison College.
I think it was a very good concept to do for the students today because a lot of us don't like to, should I say, speak out loud about the problems that we have in our schools. So I think it was a very good workshop for us today to do as students.
How the issues of climate, building infrastructure, pollution, and flooding and extreme heat affect our schooling systems and the way students interact on a daily.
Today I learned about the difficulties that spread around in secondary schools and also around the nation of Barbados. I also learned about the adaptation of the climate, and I want to thank you all and thank you, ma'am, for inviting us today.
The impacts that they have on our schools are flooding, hazardous to health. The solutions are the more effective drainage system and also maintenance to get working machines. Our second point that we have is extreme heat. The impacts can be sickness, discomfort, leading up to restroom issues, also leading, and our solutions would be ventilation and maintenance of ventilation systems. Toiletries and slash essentials, more garbage bins, FIG workshops too.
Today I've learned that many schools across our nation do face the same problems and issues, and that we as students do have the voice to come up with some of the solutions that you can choose.
Thank you for inviting us to this initiative, letting us know that we as students, our voice do matter. And I think it's really important that you implement us into these ideas because we are affected by it. And yet knowing that we have a say in what goes on is very important. And it means a lot to us, to see something that's affecting us, we can comment on it. So thank you and continue with these kinds of initiatives. I think that we have a lot to benefit from them, and I look forward to seeing these changes. So
I would like to thank ITACA Solutions for inviting me to this wonderful workshop. I learned plenty. I learned about other schools and their issues, and overall, I learned what I do not want my school to happen and what I hope that they get to fix. Overall, making all schools a wonderful place for learning.